In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add SciSpace to Chrome. Whether you're delving into intricate research papers or simply seeking a more efficient way to digest complex information, SciSpace is the perfect extension to enhance your browsing experience. Let's walk through the process, starting with launching your browser. First, you'll need to open Google Chrome on your computer. Make sure it's updated to the latest version to ensure compatibility with all extensions. Once Chrome is up and running, you'll need to navigate to the Chrome Web Store. You can do this by typing Chrome Web Store into your search bar and pressing Enter. This will lead you to the online marketplace for all Chrome extensions. Once you're in the Chrome Web Store, locate the search box, typically at the top left corner of the page. Click on it and type in SciSpace. After entering the term, press Enter on your keyboard. This action will initiate a search for the SciSpace extension. Now you should see a list of search results. Look carefully for the official extension titled SciSpace AI Copilot for Research by SciSpace. It's crucial to select the official version to ensure the best functionality and security. Once you find it, click on it to proceed. Next, you'll see an option to add the extension to your browser. Click the button that says Add to Chrome. A confirmation window will pop up, asking if you're sure you want to add this extension. This step is essential for your security, as it allows you to review what the extension will have access to. If you're comfortable, click Add Extension. Chrome will then begin downloading and installing SciSpace. After the installation is complete, accessing SciSpace is straightforward. Look towards the top right corner of your Chrome browser for the extensions icon, which resembles a puzzle piece. Click on it, and you should see a list of all your installed extensions. Find SciSpace and select it. If prompted, sign in or create a new SciSpace account to start using the extension. For those who plan to use SciSpace frequently, you might want to pin the extension to your toolbar for easy access. Simply click the extensions icon again, and next to SciSpace you'll see a pin icon. Click it, and SciSpace will remain visible in your Chrome toolbar, ready to assist you whenever you need it. As a final tip, remember that SciSpace can be incredibly helpful when you're reading research papers online or PDFs. It provides explanations, summaries, and answers to enhance your understanding of the content. With SciSpace, you can transform the way you interact with complex information, making your research process more efficient and insightful.